Well, Credit Registry Frontline Credit Services Firm is set to improve services for credit seekers at a gathering of bankers and industry partners in Lagos. Discussions centered on ways of strengthening the capacity of credit bureaus operating in the country. We have details in the following report.
Credit Registry Services is the Central Bank of Nigeria licensed credit bureau operator registered as CR Services. In the past 15 years, it has emerged a market leader in the financial sector, helping corporate and individual customers access credit for their businesses and personal life aspirations by way of automobile loans, home loans, and retail loans. Former Deputy Governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, Tunde Lemon, at this business gathering says it is a step in the right direction as it will help reduce the level of non-performing loans in the banking sector.
Credit Registry is a data repository for credit information for not just bank clients, for everybody that will have access to credit one way or the other. So they include information about credit history of clients, customers of banks, customers of non-bank financial institutions, and indeed also retail customers. So that, when you go to retail shops and chains, commercial chains, they should be able to have data bank. In fact, the overall objective of any credit registry is to have data on everybody in a particular geography.
For the Chief Executive Officer of the Credit Registry, Jamila Sharif Ayedo, a developing country like Nigeria requires credible data credit reporting systems to encourage businesses, lenders, and providers of services to more willingly extend services to consumers.
If you get a loan from a bank, that bank is going to report that information to us. And we make sure that if you ever try to get a loan anywhere else in that system and you have not paid back on your previous loan, the next lender will know about it. So as Credit Registry, like I said, this is the year of the borrower for us. We want to educate the borrower that there is information out there about you. That information can either be able to help empower you to get more access to credit, or it actually can penalize you if you're not honoring your obligations. So in developed countries, access to credit is easy and it's widely available because there's a system to be able to help identify each and every person who's getting access to credit. We are now that system in Nigeria, and we want to be able to connect both that lender and the borrower to make credit be able to flow very easily.
The core function of a credit bureau is the collection and dissemination of financial information or data for permissible purposes only. Tolulope Ogunjobi, TVC News, Lagos.